The unveiling of Triumph Motorcycles' latest creation, the TF250X, marks a significant milestone in the ultra-competitive 250 cubic centimeters motocross market. Developed in collaboration with racing legends like Carmichael and Iván Cervantes, the TF250X represents Triumph's foray into the realm of off-road competition with a ground-up design that promises class-leading performance and innovation. At the heart of the TF250X lies an all-new performance racing powertrain meticulously crafted by Triumph's engineering teams. This competition-grade 4-stroke single-engine boasts an ultra-compact and lightweight design, featuring advanced components such as a forged aluminum piston, titanium valves, and diamond-like carbon low-friction coatings. Complementing the powertrain is an Exedy Belleville clutch and an advanced engine management system offering tunability options via the MX Tune Pro app. The TF250X is built on a unique aluminum chassis, engineered for optimal balance of performance, mass, and flexibility. This high-strength, lightweight spine frame with twin cradles sets a new benchmark for power-to-weight ratio in its category. The chassis provides a high level of tunability to suit various riding styles, ensuring precision handling and control on the track. Triumph has spared no expense in outfitting the TF250X with top-tier components to deliver an unrivaled specification. The bike features KYB suspension with 48mm OS coil forks and a 3-way piggyback coil rear shock. The premium Brembo braking system, Dirtstar 7000 series aluminum rims, and Pirelli Scorpion MX32 tires further enhance its performance capabilities. Additionally, the TF250X comes equipped with ProTaper ACF carbon core bars and ODI half-waffle lock-on grips for optimal rider comfort and control. Triumph offers a range of competition accessories to further elevate the TF250X's performance, including an Akrapovic full titanium exhaust system, X-Strig hole shot device, and Athena LCGPA launch control module. A dedicated clothing range, developed in partnership with Alpine Stars, ensures riders are properly equipped for the rigors of motocross. Triumph's commitment to motocross extends beyond the bike itself, with the establishment of specialist motocross and enduro centers worldwide. These centers provide sales, servicing, parts, clothing, and race support, backed by a 24/7 online parts supply system for convenient access to accessories and spares. With a formidable team of racing champions and experienced technical staff, Triumph Racing is poised to make its mark in the FIM Motocross World Championship. The TF250X will spearhead Triumph's racing efforts, competing in the MX2 class with factory support from Thierry Chizetzazzoni's team. As Triumph embarks on its motocross racing journey, the TF250X stands as a testament to Triumph's engineering prowess and commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation in off-road competition. With its blend of racing pedigree, cutting-edge technology, and championship ambitions, the TF250X is poised to make waves in the world of motocross.